Hi, fellow world travelers. I just crossed another country off my list, the Philippines. As many times as I have traveled to Southeast Asia, it's a wonder I hadn't been earlier. But better late than never. I really had a great time on this relatively quick trip. While the Philippines is comprised of over 8,000 islands, I spent most of my time on the country's most populous island, Luzon, and its national capital city, Manila, one of the most crowded metropolitan areas in the world. Despite hours spent sitting in traffic, I did get a chance to explore this huge city. If you're planning a trip out this way, here are my favorite spots to eat and have fun. For breakfast brunch, I suggest Butterboy. This place is known for its decadent European breakfast pastries. Croissants in several varieties, quiches, and danishes are all huge sellers. Butterboy is also known for its popular weekend drag brunches. Drag culture is having a moment in the Philippines right now, and Butterboy captures that moment perfectly. When you combine delicious pastries with a super fun drag show, you create my personal happy place. For lunch, you should know that the Filipino fried spring roll known as lumpia is one of the dishes that reflect the country's Chinese influence. And Globe Lumpia House is one of Manila's go-to spots for this beloved appetizer. While this compact eatery offers several varieties of lumpia, my favorite was the lumpiang sariwa, a vegetable spring roll made with hearts of palm. For dinner, you must go to the Aristocrat. And before you think I've gone all bougie, the Aristocrat is a decidedly casual cafe that serves classic Filipino dishes. It's also the oldest continuously operating restaurant in Manila. And while it now has offshoots throughout the city, I went to the original, which has graced San Andres Street since 1936. They're famous for their barbecue-marinated charcoal-grilled meats that my carnivorous friends can't get enough of, as well as their Halo Halo. For the uninitiated, Halo Halo, which translates to Mix Mix, is a dessert of condensed milk and shaved ice, mixed with a baffling array of ingredients. So after you have your stomach full, it's time to party. Manila has a reputation for seriously letting its hair down late at night. Of course, I had to investigate these rumors for myself. And it turns out the rumors are definitely true. Whenever you're in a city with warm weather, beautiful ocean views, and hundreds of skyscrapers, you're bound to find some amazing rooftop bars. Of all the rooftops I went to, Encaramada Rooftop was the best. It sits on top of the Wyndham Hotel in the Mall of Asia and offers stunning 360-degree views of the ocean and surrounding neighborhood. If you can snag a seat here at sunset, more power to you. Then, karaoke is a popular late-night pastime in Manila. It's seriously huge. And that's why you should give it a try at Rockstar KTV. It operates 2 branches in Metro Manila, each with themed private rooms. Whether you want to belt it out in the Britney Spears room or jam in the Bob Marley room, this is a great spot to unleash your inner rock star. My trip to Manila was a bit of a whirlwind in the best way possible. From the centuries-old historical sites to the diverse array of cuisines to the awesome malls and lively bars, this city truly has something for everyone. If you want to know more about what you can do in Manila, go visit cookingwithjade.com. I have a lot more to add to this list on my website. See you next time.